Hi, my name is Domin Lechnik and I'm a professional watchmaker working after sales customer service. I've been in contact with watches since a very young age because my father and grandfather has been watchmakers working with watches and clocks. So watchmaking and everything around it is truly in my blood. And today, I've been invited to Time Machine offices to show and explain to you why these state-of-the-art winders have such a hefty price tag. We use winders to keep our precious timekeepers running and fit them for the occasion. If a watch is properly serviced, I prefer them running. That's how we can keep track of their timekeeping and condition. Since the inception of Time Machine's idea in 2019, the vision was to create the best watch winder on the market, bar none. The Time Machine winder is a culmination of 4 years of research, development and design. The winder's casing is milled with high precision from a single solid block of aluminum, which is then sandblasted and anodized in a satin black finish. It is extremely sturdy and it makes the perfect foundation for all the assembly parts. Mind you that the material is also fully recyclable. Inside, you will find a custom-made PCB with Bluetooth LE functionality, a set of Samsung batteries and a German-made Fallhaber motor enclosed in a rubber housing in order to assure completely silent operation without any vibration. The motor turns 2 cogwheels which in turn rotate the drum. The large cogwheel is mounted with a printed stainless steel plate which enables the winder through a set of optical sensors to know how to stop the winding with the timepiece oriented vertically. The drum itself is coated with a soft touch coating, which additionally dampens any potential noise and feels premium to the touch. The front of the winder is also made from a single block of aluminum and hosts a flexible PCB with an optical sensor, which detects if the timepiece is correctly inserted and automatically starts winding the timepiece. On the top of the front of the winder sits a custom-made LED illuminated capacitive touch button with which you interact with the winder. The company used the same mindset as if they were making a grand complication watch mechanism. When the team were conceptualizing the Time Machine winder, they wanted to make a product which would redefine the entire category. The result is a number of technological advancements unseen in the watch winders until now. For instance, you do not need to turn the winder on or off. In order for it to start winding the timepiece, just put the timepiece on the clip and insert it into the winder. The winder will detect the timepiece is inserted and start winding it automatically. This is done by integrating 2 optical sensors in the front of the winder. The first optical sensor detects if the clip was inserted correctly by passing the optical ray through the specially designed hole in the clip. The second optical sensor detects the timepiece. Only if the first sensor passes the clip and the second sensor is blocked, does the winder know that the clip was inserted properly and that the timepiece is strapped on the clip. Only then will the winder start winding according to the designated program. If you wish to remove the timepiece as the winder is winding, simply press the touch sensitive button once and the winder will return to the vertical position. When the winder is not winding, the timepiece is positioned vertically. This is done using an optical sensor which detects the special pattern on the backside of the drum. This also enables the winder to gradually stop when arriving at the vertical position in order to not exert any substantial forces on the timepiece. The winder does not need to be connected to the mains. This means that you can place it anywhere you wish and that there are no cables hanging from it where it's placed. The winder contains 3 lithium-ion cell batteries which keep the winder powered on for at least 1 year on a single charge. One could say that this is a truly portable winder, provided you don't mind lugging around 2 kilos. When the battery level drops below 20%, the winder will start blinking red instead of usual white, which gives you a visual feedback that the winder needs to be recharged. The winder can be recharged using any USB-C charger and supports fast charging. The winder needs about 3 hours to charge and will work for at least another year before it needs to be recharged again. Because we are different from one another and have different sized wrists, each winder comes standard with 2 separate clips which accommodate different wrist sizes. The small clip can accommodate wrist sizes in sizes from 155mm to 173mm, while the large clip can support wrists from 170mm to 200mm. The winders are made in a way where they can be presented in different configurations. Each winder comes standard with an aluminum wall mounting plate for installation on a wall surface. If you wish to present your winders on a flat surface, they offer a multitude of handcrafted marble stands, which means that every person can display their winders personalized just for them. The majority of the winders come pre-programmed with about 2000 bidirectional rotations per day. While this will wind the majority of self-winding timepieces, it will put unnecessary stress on the timepiece. This is why they developed an application ecosystem which contains optimal winding profiles for 20,000 plus timepieces. Using the application, you can simply find your timepiece in the database and assign it to your winder. This way, you can be sure that you are winding your timepiece in an optimal way. While you can purchase the watch winder without the marble base and mount it on the wall with the included aluminum plate, they also offer a multitude of tabletop marble stands along with a piece de resistance. The floor-standing marble base with a stainless steel rod which enables you to display 4 winders. The marble is machine cut and hand finished to a tolerance of ±0.3mm. The double base plus also includes a hand carved and hand finished compartment for storing jewelry and keys. The bases come equipped with a custom-made aluminum mounting plates and mounting plugs, which are fitted to the marble base and can securely keep the winder in place. The floor stand includes a stainless steel rod at one end and then curves at a 10 degrees angle and transitions to a flat front, exposing a parabola-shaped transition. As with the marble bases, the rod is hand polished and hand brushed. The marble bases and the floor stand are true works of art. The boxes are made entirely by hand, out of teak cardboard, and layered with black paper. Inside sits custom-made packaging foam, protecting the winders and the stands from any accidental damage during shipping and handling. The weight of the top of the box slowly pushes the air away and closes perfectly on its own. The boxes are also adorned with hand-applied time machine logos. Since the company believes that every product should have as little as possible impact on the environment, they minimized the use of plastic. So the case is made of aluminum, the stand is made of marble, and the rod is made from stainless steel. Everything is fully recyclable. The product is made and assembled with the exception of the PCB and batteries entirely in the EU. The manufacturer is verified by an independent authority twice per year to assure that everything is done with utmost care and precision and adheres to the highest of standards. I hope we managed to bring you close to why time machine winders are a technological marvel and a design masterpiece. By partnering with local artisans from Slovenia, I truly believe that the value for such a high quality product is worth the price. Thank you.